that car is almost ready. And the first thing that's gonna happen is we're gonna have to race it. This is why he built this car. This has been a long time rivalry. So keep watching, make sure you subscribe now because we're gonna be turning up the heat here pretty soon. Go ahead and say it right now. We're not gonna get on this car. So that when I show the clips later of us getting on the car, we can go back to this. Just cruising. Why did you build this car? What was the purpose of building this?
To cruise.
To cruise.
Street car.
Street car.
And I stuck to it. I stuck to the mission. I didn't get crazy. I didn't cut a big hole in my hood.
You got a couple holes on there.
Those are vents.
Oh.
It's only for style.
What the followers
One
say.
race. I got a street car. I'm going to the track once.
We need to figure out
We're gonna
who's
settle
gonna
the
race
cup.
who first, because we got a couple call outs.
No. I'm racing you, and I'm taking the cup. I'm gonna put it home, and that's where it's gonna live. Period.
It's already home.
It's already home. If somebody beats you, then I'll go whoop their ass at the track. You will lose.
Street car on street car.
100%. Street car against race car. At the racetrack, one will lose.
Gonna do it. Can't help himself.
No, I'm slow on the hole.
There's the green. Oh, is there?
Okay.
Probably one of the baddest Z06 I've ever been in.
It's a street car too.
I don't know if it has enough for my car, but I guess we're gonna find out.
Guaranteed.
You better believe it's gonna be on video too. It might be edited a little bit just in case I lose, but
I want multiple camera points.
Let's see how
I want multiple camera points. I want to be able to see the expression on Juan's face.
It's gonna look like this. I won!
As he sees my tail light. And I will, again, hit my brake light.
Suede headliner. Suede steering wheel that he refuses to unwrap.
AC.
Suede. I feel like I need to start putting some suede in my car.
Yeah.
Make it street car. That's all you need to make a street car, is a little suede.